Okay, boys and girls, this is a little routine that I want to share with you today, just to show you that after training doesn't have to be crunches all day long. In fact, crunches they prove to be not very effective. Building up core strength is a very technical thing, and 80 to 90% of people, just to throw in a percentage there, do it wrong, and for that they don't get results. So this is a different way of training your abs, a little bit advanced, but to be honest, just with a little bit of practice you will get it. Check that out. Ciao for now.